Okay, so for our next topic, we will be placing a component. Okay, we will include also the door and the windows. So at least you can start your the concept of your project from starting today. You can picture out already. Okay, first we will insert a door on our walls here. Okay, you can find the door here in the architecture tab, still in the build panel, then select door. Okay, and as you can see here, we have our default doors here. Okay, loaded. So if you cannot find the door that you like, okay, you can go here in the modify, place door, contextual tab, and in the mode panel, go to load family. Left click on load family, and then here, okay, make sure if you want the units to be metric, then go to libraries, then change it to metric, or here we have the UK library folder. Okay, left click here and then go to doors. And then here in the internal, so if you cannot find the UK library folder, you need to install it. Okay, when you install Revit, you have the option there to select the country. Okay, so the good thing with this UK library folder is that there are a lot of options here or different families that you can choose. Okay, let's say I would like to have this door, then I'll just select open. Okay, and it will load to our current project. And then as you can see here, if I'll hover, okay, if I'll hover here, if I'll go to 3D view, and I'll hover my door, okay, in the window area, as you can see, once it will not touch a wall, it will have this warning symbol, meaning it will not place a wall. So the door or window need a host family. Okay, it need a wall to be placed on the drawing screen. Okay, if you'll go here, and that's the time. Okay, if you will put your crosshair on the wall, then that's the time it will be placed on the drawing area. So just left click if you like to place that one here, then just left click it there, and then automatically it will cut to the walls. Okay, so double hit escape key to exit the command, and then if you will left click here on this door now, here in the properties palette we have some parameters here. Okay, we have the seal height. If you add a seal height value of 0.10, then it will place the seal height here. Okay, so same with the window. If you go to window, and then here, okay, you have the different options here. Okay, let's say if I'll choose this size, say I'll place this one somewhere here. Okay, so you can do that one here in the 3D view directly, or also here in the in the floor plan. So if I'll go to, I guess it's still here. It's on level 2. If I'll go to level 2, I'll open my level 2. Then I'll go to window. Then as you can see here, it will place on level 2. Okay? Let's say, yeah, it's here somewhere. So I'll just place maybe here. Yes, so as you can see, it placed here, the window. Okay? And then, if you go back here in level 1, this door, if you select this door, as you can see also here, it is highlighted in the other views. Okay, let's say here in the 3D view, let's say I'll close this one, the other views, window tile. If I left click on this door, then you will find this flip grip here. Okay, if you select the flip grip, it will change the orientation of the opening. Okay, it will be goes to interior and exterior, and if you will check, if you will see here, it will cut through the wall. Okay. So not only this one, because this one is a double door. If we will change this one, if we will place a single door here, let's say this one, this door. Sorry, I'm just not change that one. I'll just add another door. Then choose this single one here. Then as you can see here, see you will find two flip grips here. If I select this one, okay, you will find this two flip grip. Okay, this one will change the orientation of your door. Okay. As you can see also in the 3D view, if you will change this one, same with the double door. Okay. Then this one will change the opening. Then let's say you will have here, okay, go to the insert tab, load, family. Okay, still, if we go back to the UK library, let's say here we have the planting, okay, you have different types of planting here. Okay, select open, let's say I would like to load this one, select open here. Okay. Then again, if you go back to the component, place a component, then you will have this one. Okay, we have different plantings. Okay, we go here. Then again, place a component. It's 3.6 meter. Okay. Then here, if I go back to level 1, okay, you will have this one. So I'll just create a view here, camera view. And we will have this one now here. And then visual style to ray trace. Okay, so at least you can have the concept now. Place the component. So you will just okay, explore the place a component. You can find the tables, the lightings, okay, chairs, furnitures, the kitchen equipment. You will find it there. Okay.